What happens to the amplitude when a sound becomes louder? It increases. What does the precession of Earth's axis of rotation describe? The conical change in the direction of the rotation axis. What do we call the combined layer of the crust and the upper part of the mantle? Lithosphere. What do a robot's sensors detect? Stimuli or changes. In the electromagnetic spectrum, what kind of light has a shorter wavelength than visible light? Ultraviolet light. Which organisms play the role of decomposers in an ecosystem? Bacteria. What is the main cause of surface ocean current circulation? Atmospheric circulation. Why does Venus shine brightly in the night sky? Because of its atmosphere. Which planet in the solar system has the fastest rotation speed? Jupiter. What is at the core of the Internet of Things, IoT? Connections between devices. Which planet in the solar system has the highest surface temperature? Venus. Approximately how many days does it take Earth to complete one orbit around the Sun? About 365 days. Which organ is responsible for blood circulation in humans? The heart. In what form is glucose, the product of photosynthesis in plants, stored? As starch. What is the property of returning to the original shape when an external force is removed? Elasticity. Which metal turns egg white black? Silver. Why do we hear thunder after we see lightning? Because light travels faster than sound. When an eggshell reacts with vinegar, which gas is produced? Carbon dioxide. What are the long, thread-like structures inside the cell nucleus called? Chromatin. What is the representative scale used to indicate earthquake magnitude? The Richter scale. Which organ system digests and absorbs food taken in through the mouth? The digestive system. What is the main organic nutrient produced by photosynthesis? Glucose. What are the small openings in plants through which gases are exchanged? Stomata. As the temperature of an object increases, how does its volume change? It expands. What is absolutely necessary for a virus to reproduce? A host cell. What do you call the large, dark plains on the surface of the Moon? Lunar Maria. What technology is used as the storage medium in an SSD? Flash memory. Which sea has the highest salinity? The Red Sea. If you look at our galaxy from the side, what does it look like? A flat disk shape. Boyle's law describes the relationship between which two properties of a gas? Pressure and volume. In which field is Planck's constant used? Quantum mechanics. In which direction does a comet's tail always point? Away from the sun. The nucleus of a comet is mainly composed of what materials? Ice and dust. How is Newton's second law of motion expressed as a formula? F equals ma. What determines the loudness of a sound? Amplitude. What is one function that smart shoes can perform? Measuring step count. In biological classification, what is the largest taxonomic rank? Kingdom. What is one of the core goals in the development of self-driving car technology? Reducing traffic accidents. What is the deepest ocean trench on Earth? The Mariana Trench. What substance is absolutely essential for life to exist? Water. Thanks for watching all the way through. Share your science knowledge in the comments. Your support helps us create even more science quizzes. See you in the next one.